Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to enable and disable control center on lock screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down and click on Face ID and passcode, and here enter your screen passcode, and after that scroll down. Here you can see the option control center. If you want to enable control center on lock screen, then simply turn this button on, and if you want to disable control center on lock screen, then turn it off, control center button off. So this is the way to enable and disable control center on lock screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.